Hello, this is David from Rose Electronics out of Houston, Texas. We are at DSE 2012 Digital Signage Show. We're presenting products that applies into digital signage environment. One of the highlighted products are our extenders. The extenders are for video, keyboard and mouse, audio and serial. We have products like ViewLinks. The ViewLink enables you, it's very miniaturized, enables you to connect VGA, USB, PS2, and extend the computer up to 1,000 feet away from the computer. So the KVM connectivity is done by Cat5 connection. The next one is our Crystal View with a DVI or USB 2.0 audio and serial. And they also come in as a dual link or single link DVI. The product enables you to go either single mode or multi-mode fiber up to 30,000 feet, which is almost 10 kilometers. The products are available from Rose Electronics out of Houston. It's www.rose.com.